I'm in Vegas right now because I won the school games in September, and we had our mastermind that you have each month if you win. And if you're not familiar with the school games, it's a really cool website that I've been using for the past several months. And I've made $180,000 in 3 months since joining. I talk about it a lot here on my channel. And it helps you create communities and memberships that you can monetize. But more importantly, it puts people together. And that was on display yesterday in a 12-hour mastermind that I learned so much from. Alex Hormozy is a co-owner, so he led the mastermind. And there was just so many other people there who were so amazing, people who have done very well for themselves with school. And the reason I wanted to record this now, right before I jump on a flight home, is because I learned so much. But the main thing I learned yesterday was about two things. First thing is proximity. Proximity, being around people who make you better and being around people who have ambitions that are similar to yours or even beyond yours, so that you're always leveling up. It's just such a theme that happened yesterday that I saw over and over again, whether I was helping someone or someone else was helping me. The other thing is never be too successful or well known to learn. And I know that from yesterday. I went in with an open mind, an open heart, and I learned a lot. And it wasn't only in the tactical things, it was in how people operate, how people move through the world, what I want for myself, and what I want and what I don't want. So you learn a lot from being around very ambitious people and their fulfillment, what fulfills them and what drives them. And so I learned that yesterday. So I wanted to share that with you. I wanted you to think about that. And I also very much so want you to know about school. And I'll tell you why. It's SKOOL. I'll put the link in the description that'll take you to my membership and take you to a couple of them, actually. I have more than one, and it'll help you in general, and then it'll show you the school games I was talking about, the thing that I won, the leaderboards. But the reason I want you to know about it is because I believe more than ever after spending time with school's founder yesterday and all of the people who are like working on this project, I believe more than ever that over the next 12 months, you're just going to hear school everywhere. And I want you to know about it first. Of course, there are thousands and thousands of people who are already on the platform who are hosts, and tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands who use the platform as members. But it's still like this underground thing that most people don't recognize when I mention it. And I wanted to like put this on recording, and I wanted to go officially on record as saying it is going to easily be a unicorn company, $1 billion plus company. But it's more importantly going to create so many millionaires, so many millionaires who are hosts of these memberships. And I want you to be one of them. Remember, I am on a mission to help create and catalyze 1,000 new millionaires. And I think this is a main way to do it. I think there are many paths to it. This is not the only way, but this can be part of it. So whether you're starting this and you want this to be your main company, your side project, or you have your own company already and you want to help bring in more traffic and more conversions of sales, this is a platform you can use. And I just want to tell you that. I'll put the links below. If you use my link to join, it is an affiliate link, just so you know that. But otherwise, I just want you to win. I just want you to win. So please know about it, learn about it. You can learn all about it in Arlan's All Access. I take you through. There are hundreds of people who are doing this inside of the membership right now who are just like you. And if you're just joining me right now, thank you for being here. You can learn all about my story and other videos. I hope you'll take a look around, and I hope you're learning something. Have a great day.